Hi boys and girls, welcome to your next flipped lesson. This week we're going to be doing adding and subtracting whole numbers, which should be very familiar to most of you. Just in 4th grade we're going to be moving on to some bigger numbers and also concentrating more on why we're doing certain things when we actually add and subtract, because some of you kind of just do some things automatically but maybe don't know exactly why you're doing it. So, very first thing is we're going to look at a pretty simple problem that most of you should be able to do with not a lot of difficulty. So make sure again you have that scratch paper, solve it on your own, and start the video again. Alright, so hopefully this one wasn't too tricky for you. So we've got 75 plus 4, and see how I lined up my ones. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 7 plus nothing is 7, so 79. Alright, that was pretty easy, so hopefully you didn't have any issues with that one. Next one, we've got 89 plus 5. Pause the video, solve that one on your own. Alright, so again, we've got our ones lined up, so we put our 5 right below our 9 because they're both in the ones place. And we've got 9 plus 5 is 14. So since we can't just put a 14 down here, we have to put the 4. And then we carry this 1, and in class we're talking about why we carry that 1 over. But so now we go 1 plus 8 is 9. So our answer would be 94. Alright, next one. Getting a little trickier now. So we have 137 plus 79 again. Pause the video, solve it, hit play when you are ready. Alright, 137 plus 79. Again, see how my 1s line up, my 10s line up, and then my 100 is over there. 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry the 1. And the reason we're carrying the 1 is because we have 16 ones, but we can't fit 16 ones because we only put 1 digit here. So 6 of them stay here, and this 1 actually stands for 10 because we're in the 10 spot. So we're bringing 10 of these over. But it only stands for 1 because it's 110, which is the same as 10 1. So we bring over the 16, or the 1, because it's 1 and 6 is 16, the 6 is here, the 1's up here. So 1 plus 3 plus 7 would be 11. So we put the 1 here, and again now we put this other one up here, which is 11, because 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and our answer would be 216. Alright, moving on to even a bigger number. Alright, pause the video, solve it, then hit play when you are ready. Alright, so we've got 15,708 plus 9,957. Alright, so 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 6. Don't need to carry anything because it's just a 6. 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 9 more is 15. Gotta carry that 1 over here. 1 plus 1 is 2. I gotta remember to add our comma. So our final answer is 25,665. Alright, so if that addition did not make sense, go back, replay the videos, but now we're going to move on to some subtraction. Alright, so 79 minus 8. Do that on your scratch paper, hit play when you are ready. Alright, so this is about as simple as it's going to get in 4th grade. Got a 2-digit minus a 1-digit. So we start on the right just like you do with addition. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 7 minus nothing is 7. You can always check subtraction by doing the opposite. So always doing addition, so you could actually do 71 plus 8, and you're going to get 79. And that works with any subtraction problem. If you take your answer, add it to the smaller number, and you should get the top or the bigger number. So that's just a quick way to check your answer. Alright, next one. 95 minus 8. Now this one is a little bit trickier and you'll see why, but pause the video, solve it, and hit play when you're ready. Alright, so this one's a little bit trickier because when you look here, you do 5 minus 8, but if you think to yourself, if I have 5 of something, it's impossible to take away 8. So if I have 5 ones, I cannot take away 8 ones. So I need to borrow, or sometimes we just call it trading, from the 9. Because here we know we have 9 tens. We've got 90, or we've got 9 tens over here, so it's worth 90. So we are actually going to take 10 of those. We're going to turn this into an 8 and bring 10 of them over here. So now this turns into a 15 because we added a 1 over here. So 10 of them come over here. 5 plus 10 is 15. We took away 10 because it's in the tens. So now we only have 8 tens over here now. So that's why we are borrowing it from here. It didn't really go anywhere. We're just kind of trading it or borrowing. So now we've got enough ones up here. So we can do 15 ones minus 8 ones. That gets us 7. Then over here, 8 minus nothing. So we've got 87. Again, we can check it with addition. 87 plus 8. And 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry the 1 over here. 1 plus 8 is 9, and yes, we got our top number, 95. Alright, next one. Getting a little harder as we go on. Alright, 785 minus 67. Again, pause the video, solve it on your own, then start the video again when you are ready. 785 minus 67. So, again, we ran into this problem in the previous problem. We have, if the top number is smaller, we cannot do it unless we trade. So 5 minus 7 we can't do, so we need to trade or borrow from this 8. This turns into a 7 because we're borrowing 10 of them. We're bringing those 10 over here, so that turns into a 15 because we're adding this 1 over here. We're adding the 1, or in this case it's worth 10. So 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. And 7 minus nothing is 7. So 718. Alright. One more problem before we get into your entrance ticket. Alright, so do this one on your own, and then play the video when you are ready. Alright, hopefully that one wasn't too bad. So again, 5 minus 6 we can't do. We need to borrow from the 3. The 3 turns into a 2. 5 turns into a 15 because we're adding 10 ones over here. So we got 15 minus 6, which is 9. 2 minus 2 is 0. Ooh, we ran into the problem again. 0 minus 4 we can't do. We need to borrow from this 9. 9 turns into an 8. 0 turns into a 10, so we're adding 10 over here. 10 minus 4 is 6. 8 minus 7 is 1, so our final answer is 1,618. and 9. Alright, and lastly, here are your 2 entrance ticket problems. Again, if you have any questions, just replay the videos and hopefully that will help you. Alright, good luck.